Here she is. All right, so I traded one of our paddle boards for this kayak on Facebook Marketplace, and she needs some fixing up. She needs a few things, but we're gonna get her sea ready, and yeah, start with a good cleaning. Got a bucket of Fabuloso, and give her a good wash. Swept the inside out pretty good, and now we're just gonna give her one good rub down. One of the things is that it was super hard to get it really clean with the hose because the water would just build up inside because the drain holes are so small, which is good, but you know, can't be a good side that that's wet either. All right, we'll get back to that. It kind of smells like somebody smoked in here for 30 years. I think we went a little overboard with the Fabuloso, but you know, the measurements are to a gallon. What do you want me to do? All right. Pretty happy with how it's looking. Yeah. It's feeling good. So I traded this on Facebook Marketplace for one of our 3 paddle boards. So now we have 2 paddle boards in this kayak, which I'm hoping to turn into more of a fishing boat. So it came in pretty rough shape. It's really dirty, and it's missing some hardware. So took some inventory of what I think we should do. Make some new deck rigging hardware, something to hold the bungee down. And a bungee. And we're gonna need some new handles. All right, let's get started up here with replacing this bungee. So this is one of our main areas that I think we could really benefit from fixing. I'm thinking maybe something like this, because I also want the option to secure a bag underneath the bungee. Sometimes maybe just like a towel. All right, let's get this hardware out. Let's see what we're working with. So this kit came with quite a bit, but so I'm thinking we're gonna add a couple, do our best. I have no idea what I'm doing. I should make that clear. So, first boat. Look at that. Little loosey-goosey over here. We're gonna go with it. Do I know what I'm doing? No, I don't. Let's go. This feels immediately wrong. What if we bypass these clips? Go for 2 more up here. It's like we're sacrificing a little bit that we could have. And is this gonna stay? This doesn't feel like it's gonna stay. It feels like we should put hooks here. Let this be its own thing. I don't know, what do you think? We're doing it. Is it centered? I don't know. I don't think I know how to do that. No. Alright, so you take... Alright, I'm not overwhelmed. I'm not overwhelmed. I'm not underwhelmed. Okay, so... How do you do this? What? How do you do this? I don't know how to do this. Where's my phone? I'm stupid. You just put it through here and then tie a knot. It's not even difficult. Does that feel right? That feels right. Okay. All right. Now what? Feed the string through the eye of the kayak. Okay, I can do that. Feed your loose rope end through the hole of the handle in the middle of the grip. Tie a secure knot once ends are through. Snap cover over the handle. Enjoy. Okay. More knots. I was an honorary Cub Scout. Troop something, something, something. I don't know. I was honorary. They didn't let me go to the meetings. Figure it out. There you go. One handle. Look at that. All right. Let's flip her around. All right. Put this other handle on. If we can find the string. Did you guys see it? Did you guys see where it went? We won't do that right now then. Okay, so the angle goes up, but it won't. Okay. And then, how do you turn her? Tina Turner. Timmy Turner. She's gonna face that way, I guess. I can't find the other handle. Cord. We do have extra cord. Oh, here it is. Found it, boys. Found it. Good pull on there. Yeah. Alright, so I think the last thing I'm going to do before we call it is add in a couple of these guys. I don't want to do too much to the kayak before we really know how seaworthy she is. You know, hold the towel. We've got this dry storage in here, though there's a little water in it, which is concerning for, you know, those reasons. But I do want to go ahead and put on these mounting brackets for an accessory that I have coming. So it's about 9 inches, give or take, where the clips will be on it. So a little marking where I'd want it to be. Sitting in it, you know, sitting back, it feels like probably, like, I'm pretty small, so I think having something start about here feels good to me. Have no higher, the paddle will come across. So let's go about right there. Bolt that. Tape measure. That's about 9 from there. So I'm like over here. A little lower on this guy, I think. Oh, not bad, you know. Might have been spot on. So these guys are a little different. We're gonna use a drill bit, go right through it, so we can. Oh, buddy, where you going? We're gonna blast right through that. I don't know that this is my best idea ever, per se, but let's see what happens. Alright, so that was probably not a great idea. But we did it. We're all safe now. And we can screw these through. Yeah, that might be too small. Might have some bolts here that'll work. Alright, back in the kayak. Back in the kayak. Here we go. Every fucking time that scares me. Alright. I think we got it this time. Please tell me we got it this time. Yeah, we got it this time. This one's a little harder at this angle. Hope you guys are enjoying this content because this is a terrible fucking angle to do anything at. Alright. Put some nuts on this. Oh, don't make me get in the fucking kayak again. Get this bolt on here, and we'll call it an evening. Get this boat in the water this weekend. Sorry, I'm casting so many of my own shadows with my hat, but you know, girl's gotta wear her hat. Definitely need to tighten these up. I don't know that we need to do that on camera, but hell. All right, well, there you go. We got a new handle, a clean kayak, fresh bungees. I'll see you on the water.